morning. This is a quick video to show you how to easily remove your CD changer from your E36 BMW convertible. This car is a BMW M3, but it should work on other convertibles as well. Pull the release handle so the CD changer tilts towards you. Then you have 4 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4. The CD changer will come out. Next, you're going to remove the 2 cables from the back of the CD changer. You just depress the pin or the clip and slide it out. Now with the CD changer removed, you see these 2 little tabs sticking up here and here. Those you just pull in on both sides and that'll release the cover. And then you remove these 2 10mm bolts, and then your bracket comes out.